Hop on.
Ultra, ultra, how do we get so rare? Ultra, ultra, no man, we don't share. Ultra, ultra, how do we get so rare?
How you doing today?
Ultra,
Picture
no
time?
man, we don't share. You ain't seen me like this. Freddy Krueger with the wrist. I've been chilling my
Oh, jeez.
We gon' make it quick. You ain't
Hey,
seen
wait
me
for that
like
Jeep.
this. Freddy Krueger with the wrist. I've been chilling my bliss. We gon' make it quick.
Yes, sir. Dirtbike Adventures with Timmy too. Let's go, baby. I'm on the 50, and he's on the Tao. So we're probably gonna be riding in third gear for like almost this entire time. It is really cold out here, and it's also kind of raining. So we'll just kind of see what happens. I bought this Honda for $1,200. It's a 2015. And I think I got a really good deal on it, actually. This is weird with all these bumps and stuff. Oh, shoot. This has suspension, but not very good suspension, so. Oh, dude, we're getting this thing dirty today. There's some people. Covered in mud. Here. Wipe off the cameras real quick. Yeah, you want to take it on the road a little? Sure. Just follow me. Do a couple wheelies. So Dirtbike Adventures with Timmy, that was my most viewed video. Dude, look at how many deer there are out here. That was my most viewed video like ever in a day. That was my most viewed video. It got like 800 views in like one day. That was crazy. The mini bike and the SYX unboxings, they came close as well, but Dirtbike Adventures with Timmy was the best one in a day. Can't really jump that. We're bogging down a little, not gonna lie. It's pretty cold out here. Oh shoot. Oh boy. Taking this thing slow down here. This thing's a lot of fun actually to ride out here. You want to go to the hill? Sure. Oh, dang it. I'll follow you. Alright. Hop on. cruising on the 50 with Timmy. They got a little junkyard over there. So I don't think this guy cares that we're here, or the other guy. We're just showing having fun, not disrupting no one. I'm surprised I'm doing this well with like no tread on the rear tire, but it's pretty sweet. Oh goodness, dude. that could have been it right there. Alrighty, dude. Whoops. Yeah, we're getting a little muddy, but not too bad. Doing pretty good out here, man. Pretty nice.
I didn't fall yet.
Picture time?
Oh yeah.
Alright. So should we go to the road? Practice them? Oh yeah, buddy, full sending. Oh jeez. Oh goodness. Oh hey buddies, what's going on, man? How you doing today? Actually, we'll go straight. Dang it, they blocked off the fence. The fence that you could go through used to be right there. See if I can do like a little circle wheelie or something. Let's see. Oh, don't want to hit you there, but a little bit too much. Alright. I guess we could go this way now. Accidentally put it in neutral there. But oh man, how you doing? I guess we can run through the road over here or something. Yes, sir. We're doing pretty good out here, man. This is fun. The lights are on. Let's keep going. I want to make sure he's still there, bro. Here, wait for that Jeep. Yes, sir, dude. This is sweet. Oh my goodness, dude, this thing is fun.
Actually, I'll tell you what, we'll go straight and then we'll go through the neighborhood that way. Sure. You can ride in front of me. It's the first right. It's what? It's the first right. First right out of here? Or actually, yeah. Where the big gate is.
Look at that Tao, dude. Dude, that thing sounds good from back here. Oh my goodness. That thing sounds great. The Tao, I've never really been behind it that much. Yes, sir, dude. Dirt bike adventures with Timmy. You gotta love it. Well, technically, this is pit bike adventures, but I'll call it dirt bike adventures because last time I was on the KX125. We'll go through here. We're gonna head home. It's getting too dark for us. Well, thanks for watching this video. We are gonna do another one for sure. Oh my goodness, look at all this mud I'm flinging up. We're doing another one for sure, probably in a week or two. I'll have it posted. So yeah, I'm Bataha, that's Timmy, and we'll see y'all on the next one, man. Oh, jeez.